Assalamu alaikum, Hadi. What are you doing?
Walaikum Assalam Hassan. I'm trying to learn what artificial intelligence is.
Would you like me to tell you what artificial intelligence is?
Yes, of course, why not?
Well, have you ever heard about Siri or seen a self driven car or how your phone's sensors work?
Yes, I have some idea about it, but not in details. Is that related to AI?
Well, all of the technologies in the world have something in common, and that is that they use artificial intelligence or AI to perform a task. When a computer or a robot use programmed information into it to solve problems, it is also using a form of intelligence. However, this intelligence is totally different from human intelligence. This is called artificial intelligence or AI.
That's great.
I hope now you know what artificial intelligence is.
Yes, I do. Thank you.